channel. Hope you are all doing well. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And to my existing subscribers, thank you for your constant support. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to cut princess dart dress. I have the tutorial on my video on how to cut a dress pattern. So if you want to cut your princess dart dress, you will have your dress pattern ready. I'm going to use the dress pattern that I have. I'm going to drop the link below for you. I have series of dress pattern on my channel. So this is the dress pattern that we are going to use to learn today. You can see if this is a shoulder line, this is a armhole line, this is the chest line, this is the waistline, and this is the hip line, and this is the length of the fabric. Now if you want to make your dart, you have to measure the bust span. So the bust span we will be using is 4 inches because the bust span is 8 inches. 8 divided by 2 is 4 inches. So you are going to mark 4 inches. Mark your 4 inch. You mark 4 inches all through. After doing that, you are going to make a straight line. After doing that, here you are going to look for the midpoint, which is already here. The midpoint is 4. What you are going to do is to come up by 1 inch. So you are going to mark 1 inch. You mark 1 inch up. So this is the 1 inch that I have marked above the armhole midpoint. So this is 1 inch. After marking the 1 inch, you are going to come down the waistline and mark half an inch on both sides. Before that, you can make a straight line. So we are going to make a straight line at the bust span measurement. So that's the bust span measurement. Then you will come to the waistline. So this is our waistline. So you mark half an inch on both sides at the waistline. At the chest line where we marked the bust measurement, you are going to come down by 1 inch. I'm going to connect it now. So you are going to connect it from under the chest line. You connect the other side as well. Can you see it? Then you are going to continue your marking down to meet at the hem of the pattern. So, can you see what I'm doing? This is the dart measurement. You've seen the dart. This is how to make your dart on a dress. If you watch the video on how I cut out the dress pattern, you will understand what I'm doing here. So I will urge you to watch how I cut the dress pattern. After doing that, don't forget we have marked 1 inch above the midpoint of our armhole here. So we are going to connect it from here to meet with the 1 inch above. This is what we are going to do. So you are going to take your cuff ruler. So can you see what I'm doing? This is how you are going to place your cuff ruler from the 1 inch. Connect to the chest line. So this is it. So we are done with our princess dart. So this is what they call princess dart. So what we are going to do is to cut it out. Let me recap. So this is our basic dress pattern. We have the chest line of 9 inches and the waistline of 17 inches, the hip line of 25 inches. The length of the dress is 35 inches. I've already taken all the body circumference. That was why I was able to cut it out. I came up by 1 inch at the mid of the armhole measurement. The armhole is 8 inches. You can see it here. And the midpoint is 4 inches, which is already here as well. You can see the points there. Then I came up by 1 inch so that we'll be able to connect our dart. After doing that, I came to the 17 inches of waistline measurement. Then I marked half an inch on both sides. I came down by 1 inch under the chest line. I was able to connect it down to the hem of the fabric. So that is what I have done. So if you watch the tutorial on how to cut a dress, you will understand what I have done. Now we are going to cut it out. Princess dart dress. So this is what we call princess dart dress. If you are watching my video for the first time, you are welcome. This is a place where we normally cut pattern into different styles. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe and turn on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video so that you won't miss out. And for those that have already subscribed, thank you so much as well. God bless you. So you take it to the armhole line. So that's it. This is a princess dart. So I'm going to cut this side as well. Just cut the dart area. So this is it. I've cut it out. Now this is our, let me cut it out so that I can open it up for you to see how it looks like. If you want to cut the back pattern, all you have to do is to place this on your fabric and cut it out. We have 3 patterns here. Can you see it? I have 3 panels. 1, 2, 3. This is the middle. 2, 3. I'm going to have 3 patterns at the back as well. That is how to cut princess dart dress. This is it. It's very simple to cut. Action.